friends. Today I thought I would share a quick little van hack that I discovered when I first started van life a couple years ago. I'm using these glue pads that are double-sided and sticky, and they hold stuff down pretty well. You have to keep in mind though that anything that is not securely fastened down will possibly become a projectile in an accident. But if you're like me and you have just a couple little things roaming around the van and you don't want them toppling over when you take a sharp corner, these things come in pretty darn handy. You just peel the backings off and then you stick it to something and then you stick what you want on there to stick to it. I'm using one of these to hold down my favorite antique fish bottle that I found at a thrift store in Port Townsend, Washington, that I put some fairy lights in and I use for mood lighting. I'm also using these to hold down a shelf that I made on the laser cutter so that it doesn't slide off every time I go around a corner. And it's working out pretty well. So there you go. Glue pads for your van or your RV or your shop or your kitchen or wherever you need to stick things. Anyways, that's all. You know what time it is. It's time